Hello luxury lovers, welcome to our channel where we show different designer items. Each day on our YouTube channel we typically go over a different item. It can be Prada, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Balenciaga, different designers, and we do unboxing of all of our new arrivals as well that you can purchase on our website at milkhoneycollection.com. We also have our own series where we show behind the scenes of us building a business, a small family with young children, building a business from 7 figures to 8-figure company. I am shocked and confused that I still have this bag in stock. It's currently on our website. This is a Prada Canapa bag. So the Canapa bags are a very thick, it's double, you see how it has 2 layers of cotton right here. So it's a double stitched cotton, very thick, heavy material cotton. And I don't mean heavy like it's heavy to wear, it's very light to wear, but it's just very high quality material. This is the, again, Canapa Prada bag. This is a beige color linen exterior, and then it does have a few layers of studs. You've got gray, black, and then this really cool silver one. It does have saffiano leather on the Prada insignia logo right here with gold tone hardware throughout it. You can button the sides. I just kind of leave it open. That's kind of my vibe. It has top handles on top, of course, but this one, wait till you see the inside. It does have 2 D-rings on either side, so right here and right here. So you can attach a crossbody strap and wear this bag as a crossbody bag, and it would be laying on your hip perfectly. Super cute as a crossbody bag. A little travel bag, airport bag would be great for this. On the interior, you have the same interior lining. You have 3 slip pockets, this one and then 2 on this side. You also have a zipper section here. Again, gold tone hardware throughout with the Prada logo throughout it. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think of the Prada Canapa bag. Do you prefer the Canapa? Do you prefer the Prada Saffiano? Or do you like nylon Prada? Maybe we'll do a separate video talking about all the different Prada